Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 2 of the risk uncertainty for capital budget. Okay, look at here. This question is also based on the net present profit dysentery. Sorry, dysentery. Please read the questions here. Look at it. This is the question. A firm has investment proposal requiring 80,000 outflow. The investment proposal expected to have a 2 years economic life appear first 0.4 probability of cash inflow 50,000, 0.6 probability of cash inflow 60,000. The probability, what this means? This is your cash outflow 80,000. This is your cash outflow. There are two possibilities of cash inflow. The first possibility, and this is the second possibility. First probability 0.4 probability of outcomes of first year is 50,000. 0.6 probability of outcomes 60,000. This is, and look at it. When 50,000 cash inflow in the first year, then in second year these cash inflows will come, and the probability of this cash inflow is this. Okay, now this first path, this is your second path, this is your third path. First, fourth path, sixth path, this is your sixth path. Now, what is the probability of this? Possibilities of this. This is 24,000, 32,000, 44,000, and this is the probabilities. 24,000, 32,000, 44,000, and the probability of 0.20, 0.30, 0.50. Now, when 60,000 in the first year, then 40,000, 50,000, 60,000 come in a second year, having 0.4, 0.5, 0.1 probability. That is 40,000, 50,000, that is 60,000. And probability of this is 0.40, 0.50, 0.10. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth path. Okay. So what is the question? Construct a dysentery for the proposal investment and conclude the expected net present value. You have to find construct a dysentery and expected net present value. So to calculate expected net present value, we need the joint probability. Working note first. Calculation of joint probability. Calculation of joint probability. Here you write path. One, two, three, four, five, six. Joint probability. Look at it. In first three path, first year joint probability 0.4. You write 0.40, 0.40, 0.40. In next three paths, probability is 0.60. You write it 0.60, 0.60, 0.60. And first case 0.20, 0.30. This is a second year joint probability for the first, second and third part at 0.50. 0.40, 0.50, 0.10, and probability of this is 0.08, 0.12, 0.20, 0.20, 0.24, 0.30, 0.06. This is a 1. Now we have to calculate net present value of each path. Calculation of net present value of each path. This is a working note second. Here you write paths. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Net present value. Present value of cash inflow minus present value of cash outflow. This is the first year, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. This is the first year cash inflow for 3 path, and 60,000, 60,000, 60,000. This is the first year cash inflow for the 4th, 5th, 6th path. The present value factor for first year is for at the rate of, what is the discount rate here? 8%. The 8% discount rate you must have to keep in your mind. 1, 2, this is the 0, 0.9259, 0.9259 is the first year present value factor. This is the second year, 0.8575, 8575. The first year you have to multiply by 0.9259 to make it present value. 0.9259, 0.9259, 0.9259, 0.9259, 0.9259, 0.9259, 0.9259. Okay, plus 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 plus. Now 24,000 for the second year, 32,000 for the second part second year, 44,000, 44,000 third part, 44,000 third part second year, 40,000 fourth part second year, 50,000 fourth part second year, thereafter 60,000 sixth part second year, and the present value factor for this is 0.8575, 0.8575, 0.8575, 0.8575, 0.8575, 0.8575, 0.8575, minus 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 minus. This is the 80,000, 80,000, 80,000. Present value of cash outflow 80,000, 80,000, 80,000. Now we have to calculate net present value in this case. So what is the net present value in this case? Minus rupees 13,130, 13,130 minus rupees 6271, 6271. This is 4016. This is 9846, 9846. This is 18419, 419, 26, 992 26992. This we have calculated net present value, and we have already calculated joint probabilities. Now we can calculate expected net present value. Answer of first part. Dysentery we have already calculated. Now I am going to calculate expected net present value. Here we write path. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Net present value. This is your xi. This is minus 13130 minus 6271 6271 627 4016 4016 9846 9846 18419 18419 26 992 992. This your, and this is your pi 0.08 0.12 0.20 0.24. This is joint probability 0.30 0.60. Now pi xi minus 1050.40 minus 752.52. This you multiply by this a and b. This is a into b. Now this is 803.20 2363.04 5525.52 1619 Look at here. Total sum 8508.54. This is the expected net present value, means expected net present value, that equal to summation pi xi rupees 8508.54. This is your expected net present value. Okay, beta. Now, what are the questions you have in second part and third part? Look at here. What is the net present value of project yield if worst outcome is realized? What is the probability of occurrence this? What will be the net present value of outcomes this? Best outcome. Will the project be accepted? Yes, project be accepted because of negative net present is net present value. Okay. Answer of second part. Second part. This is the second part. Worst outcomes. Net present value is in first path. Minus rupees 13130 and probability of happening this net present value, happening this net present value equal to 0.08 is 0.08. Answer of third. Best net present value is in sixth path. That is 26992 26992 and rupees 1619.52, and the probability of happening this net present value is 0.06. Now answer of fourth part. Yes, project is selected. Yes, project is selected having net present value positive. Having net present value positive. This is the same question as the second part questions. Okay, first part questions, and we have already discussed. That's why I did these questions slightly fast. Okay, thank you, class.